Meet Apple's new flagship iPhone series, the iPhone XS and its larger variant, the iPhone XS Max. Both phones run iOS 12 out of the box. The difference between the two models is that while the iPhone XS sports a 5.8-inch OLED Super Retina 120Hz display, the iPhone XS Max gets a larger 6.5-inch OLED Super Retina 120Hz panel. So despite having one of the biggest mass-market smartphone displays, the iPhone XS Max fits into the same footprint as the iPhone 8 Plus. Both the variants are powered by Apple's latest A12 Bionic SoC, which is touted to be one of the first with a 7nm processor. This gives the iPhone XS and iPhone XS Max 30 minutes and 1 hour 30 minutes more battery life respectively compared to the iPhone X, according to Apple. Inbuilt storage options include 64GB, 256GB, and 512GB for both phones. They sport surgical-grade stainless steel bodies with glass casing on both sides. These also happen to be Apple's first iPhone models with IP68 water and dust resistance. Holding true to Apple's S upgrade cycle, the iPhone XS and XS Max feature an upgraded pair of cameras at the back. The phones have a 12-megapixel wide-angle sensor and another 12-megapixel telephoto secondary sensor. The rear camera gets a 6-element lens and 2x optical zoom. There is also an improved True Tone Quad LED flash at the back. On the front, the iPhone XS and XS Max get a 7-megapixel RGB camera sensor that's said to be faster. The iPhone XS price in India starts at 99,900 rupees, while the iPhone XS Max price in India starts at 1,09,900 rupees. Both models will go up for pre-order on September 14 and ships from September 21 for the first wave of launch countries. In India, they will be available from September 28. Thanks for watching this video, and for all things tech, you're already in the right place. Stay tuned to Gadgets360.com for more.